Welcome to Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own simple centerpiece just using a quart bottle and silver trimming, which is the rhinestone trimming from the trimming store. Okay, so first what I do, I already cut the strips. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue on. And first I'm just going to put them around the bottle like this. Okay. Piece right here. And also what I did, I just used some food coloring, the green one, and just mix and pour it in the bottle. So whichever decor you're using, you can always use the color that you require, okay? Or you can even put plain water, that's okay as well. But I'm using the green. Okay, so I'm gonna use my flowers. These are some artificial flowers, the peach and the white. So I just mix them together and just put right here in the bottle. Okay, so this is my simple centerpiece. You can use for a wedding or you can use for your birthday party. I'm sure you'll do a better job than I do, but I just want to give you an idea how you can make your own simple centerpiece. Okay, so Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.